ذكر نسوي بدل
Sir, need any help?
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun making this short film, and I'm gonna give you a quick insight into how we made Siren Head with VFX. The model was made in Blender, and to animate it, I used a motion capture suit called the Smart Suit Pro made by Rococo, who we are collaborating with on this video. The suit has a bunch of sensors all over it, so all I need to do is put it on and act out everything I need. Then I can transfer all this animation onto my 3D model. Now they also have the smart gloves to create hand animations. If you have ever done any animation, you'll know how hard it is to animate hand movements. So this is a huge game changer. I've been using the smart suit for a while now, and it has made my life as a VFX artist so much easier. I'm able to make a lot more content without sacrificing quality. Make sure to check out their website